day right. A make-ahead meal that will keep you going all morning long.
We're talking baked broccoli and mozzarella omelets, and bonus, they're keto friendly. That's the magic word. Brooklyn Maple is here to show us how it's done. Hey, Brooklyn, thanks for being here.
This is such a great idea. So many people are doing the New Year's resolution.
Yes.
Keto is the buzzword. All my friends are doing it. I don't even know what it all means.
If you don't even know what it is, like, let's just focus on it's low carb.
Low carb.
There we go.
Okay.
She could have just said low carb omelets.
But you know what?
Here we are.
Keto is the most important right now.
That's
so
the buzzword,
smart
yeah.
move. And I love the fact that you can do this a day ahead.
Oh, what's great about this, too, is you can actually freeze them. So if you do make them, and they make 12, which is awesome, you just put it on, like, a lined plate, and then you pop it in your freezer. Once it freezes, you take it out, and then you put it in a Ziploc bag. So it's even easier. So this is a great, like, Sunday meal prep item if you really are focused on, like, getting back in the gym. You can't even tell by I'm wearing workout clothes under this. We have some weights in the back.
I'm excited.
I was wondering
I
why
did a
those were
few
here.
push-ups before we started.
Everyone, yeah.
You're beefed. You're ready.
I am so
Okay,
ready. She's lifting these.
She's got it. That's an 8-pound. That's a lot. All right.
Okay, we have 12 eggs here, so an entire carton.
Okay.
I did put some salt and pepper, and I always kind of suggest putting a little bit more just based off of...
What you want.
eggs aren't necessarily super flavorful, I would say in that.
Okay.
We have a half a cup of heavy whipping cream.
Okay.
We also have 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Because what do? We put Dijon mustard in everything.
Well, it gives a good flavor, and it doesn't have a ton of calories, so yeah.
Very true.
100%.
Over here, you have the easy job here. So we're going to put all of this in a bowl. So we have 1 cup of broccoli florets.
Are those cooked, or is it raw?
Raw.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, and then 1 cup of our wonderful Kentucky Legend ham, which is literally the easiest part because it is pre-sliced. It's already cooked.
That's amazing.
Life couldn't be more perfect.
That's amazing.
That is
We also have a 1/4 cup of green onions.
Awesome.
And then you're going to mix that with your hands. Yes, you can use a spoon, but who really does
Why?
that?
We're getting dirty here in the kitchen.
Digging it.
I did preheat the oven to 3. I know. That's what I'm saying.
I love this.
I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. We did grease this, this little muffin tin.
Okay.
So we're going to put this in first.
Okay.
Thank you for mixing it so well.
Well, and I like you could also, along with the ham, you could add, I mean, you could take out the
Anything you
broccoli,
want.
so if you want to scare your children, or you could like
Put spinach.
put something not green in there, you know, hide something that's like the color of
mushrooms
cheese,
would
maybe
be-
some peppers or something.
Yeah, that's a good
Mushrooms,
idea.
peppers, a little maybe diced tomato up in there. Yes.
Yeah, you can
This is
mix
really
it up.
great.
And,
I know, and it's so easy. I love the fact that it's easy because, you know, it's I always do my meal prep on Sundays.
Okay.
And I'm not trying to be that complicated. I'm not trying to work that hard.
this is genius. I
Well,
mean,
you know what else?
Did you just call me a genius?
I said this is genius, honey.
No, we said Brooklyn. Brooklyn is a genius.
Brooklyn
you're a
is
genius.
a food ham genius.
You know what I do love about this? We always talk about what you can do for holidays. Hello, Easter, with all my family coming into town.
that's a great idea.
So pretty. You can put them on a nice platter and be like, everyone think you're super fancy.
You want a
100%.
ladle? The first time I did this, I didn't have a ladle.
Okay.
Were you just pouring it in?
Girl,
scooping it?
I was doing that.
Okay, how
Genius.
full?
All the way.
All the way?
We're going to fill it all the way up.
Look at that.
Oh.
And then you throw it in the oven for, you know, roughly 22 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees.
Okay.
Every time I've made this, it's gone a little longer.
Okay.
So I just want to be honest on that one. Keep your eyes out, you know? Keep your eyes
Do you
peeled.
want it to see just a little
Be
crispy on
vigilant.
top, maybe?
Yes.
Be vigilant. Now, tell everybody about the super duper secret that you can make and then keep these for a while, which I think is amazing.
Oh, I know. I didn't even realize. We actually got a lot of questions. We posted this online, and a ton of people came back, and they were like, can you freeze these? So we went back to the people who created the recipe, and they're like, absolutely. So don't forget, just throw it on a plate, a lined plate, and throw it in the freezer. Put it in Ziploc bags. It's great if you're in a hurry during your lunch break and you need to grab something.
Awesome.
So don't forget, of course, our product here, Kentucky Legend Ham. You're going to want to make sure that you grab that. That is really the key ingredient in this. Besides, you know, the eggs. I feel like that's an important
Wait,
item.
is this the one I get to taste?
Yes, you can try
You don't
whichever
even need
one
a
you want.
fork, right?
I know, I
You
didn't
just
know.
pick it up. It's like a muffin.
It is a muffin.
I feel like you're
I'm just-
working so hard.
Well, I am not going to
feed
let
you?
these go to waste because we've got all this time. The other thing that you could do your turkey on this too, right? You could. I love that. All right.
Oh, yeah, another way to use your
Sausage
leftover
or
turkey.
bacon?
Well, you've got your bacon all set, and that would be delicious too. All right, so all of this is available. We're going to have this recipe on our website, but you guys always have them listed on your website too.
We do KentuckyLegend.com/recipes. Don't forget to look us up though on our YouTube channel. We also have Pinterest. We're pretty much everywhere. Don't forget about us.
You're
Just
killing the Pinterest game.
Throw Kentucky Legend in the search bar, you're going to find us.
And you guys usually have coupons and stuff on the website.
Absolutely. If you go into the coupon section of our website, you can actually download your own and print them off, and then you can get our ham even cheaper.
You're just making it so easy for us.
We're trying to.
Yeah.
Check us out on the website.
I'm going to make
We're going to do this. Kentucky Legend, grocery stores everywhere. Go see them. Make this ahead. Keto friendly, family friendly. KentuckyLegend.com. This recipe's on our website today in Nashville.com. We'll be back in a minute.
I'm just gonna eat it.
Hey, we need a drink now.
I need a drink with this food.
Yeah, we